Hello guys, this episode of Design Highlight, we'll take a look at Momo Koshu. Some very nice hard surface designs here with some nice organic components. Let's take a look. First up, this alien hoverbike. Very nice shapes happening here, guys. Very nice variation. Look, this was made with Blender and Substance 3D Modeler. Next we have some Archangel Mech concepts. So just some very nice large robots here, guys. I very much like the detailed arms here as well. And nice variations here. Very nice color scheme, silhouette, shape. And just some very nice variations here. Next we have some nice first-person arm designs. So some nice little missiles. Very nice glove designs here, or mechanical arm designs. Next we have this nice Noodle Mech design. It's a nice genre of mechs, so we kind of have they have these noodly arms here, like a floating noodle mech. Almost looks like a Final Fantasy enemy here. Next we have this nice tick right here. I gotta say, guys, at this time of the year, the ticks come out in full force, and they really love to attack me all the time. So be sure to check yourself daily, guys, for ticks. Especially if you're out there in the tall grass, that's how they get you. So it looks like maybe it's like a backpack that you may be deployed, and it goes and it gathers blood from a target. So it's a very nice integration of organic things with mechanical as well. Next we have this nice hover muscle bike. I very much like the contrast between this large sphere and then this right here. Just a very nice, creative, fun design, guys. Next we have this nice cyber car concept. With this nice animation that takes us through it. Lots of nice animation, everything opens up. You got a little gun compartment here. Next we have a nice vehicle right here. Nice, bulky, beefy vehicle design, just the way I like it. Very powerful. And this looks like a more apocalyptic version of it. A lot meaner looking. Spikes, rusted components. This is after people have been stranded on Mars for 20 years. This is what the vehicle looks like. Some very nice futuristic props here, guys. Got a nice little police car, APC bus. Just looks really cool, guys. Got a sports car. You got a police car. Very nice, sleek, aggressive shapes, guys. Very nice little details here. I mean, this in my eyes, like perfect design right here, guys. Just very nice bus. It gets the concept across. It's got a nice bit of futurism to it. It's readable. You can tell it's made to be like a public transportation bus. Very much like digital displays here, the lights here. It's just very pleasing, guys. Very aesthetically pleasing, and really fits the what it's meant to look like. Nice big gun. All right, guys. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and take care.